GBPUSD visited the lowest level in the last 2 years, where the recent weekly rejection from the 1.1940 level showed a strong sell-side liquidity grab, the first sign of the possible long-term bullish trend. Moreover, the weekly RSI started rebounding higher from the oversold zone, while the weekly resistance is at the 1.266 level. This technical analysis shows how the daily GBPUSD price trades within extreme volatility in the recent trading days. Multiple dodgy candles appeared in the daily chart, while the dynamic 20 EMA remained as near-term resistance. Moreover, the RSI was flat after spiking from the oversold 30 levels. GBPUSD price remained at a crucial level where the bearish liquidity grab in the higher time frame chart still needs time to match the daily price action. In that case, any bullish breakout with a daily candle above the 1.240 level would be the first sign of a possible trend reversal in this pair. On the other hand, as long as the price remains lower below the 1.240 level, the bearish possibility toward the 1.200 is intact.